Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, some of you may think that in Nigeria they do it with class and panache, but I personally think that the goings on in Nigeria is often vulgar and obscene. So with that guys, I bring you this. Governor Ben Ayade, who is now a student of Unical, seen leaving school in a 20 SUV convoy. So this is the headline. Governor Ben Ayade, who is now a student of Unical, seen leaving school in a 20 SUV convoy. So now let's see what manner of vulgarity we're going to be entertained with this time around. The governor of Cross River State, Professor Ben Ayade, who enrolled for a master's degree in law at the University of Calabar Unical, has been spotted leaving school in a 20 Jeep convoy. The Cross River State governor, said to have already started doing his assignments and also presenting seminars like a regular student, obtained his BSc honors in microbiology at Ambrose Ali University in Epoma in 1988. He then proceeded to obtain his MSc in microbiology 1989 to 1990 and a PhD in environmental microbiology from the University of Ibadan 1990 to 1994, winning the best doctoral dissertation award in environmental microbiology. He was appointed a professor at a very young age and became quite popular in the educational sector after his work on groundwater rendition led to the invention of a sewage treatment plant powered by solar energy. It was further learned that a former member of the State House of Assembly, Jake Otu Enya, is one of his current master's lecturers. Here is, so he goes on to show us a video clip which I will attach.
Over full squad though.
I will tell you. As if
They say they go fight Cameroon Jandam.
But really, it is really this going on now that I wanted to highlight again, because of course people will say, oh, he's an academic, he's an intellectual, he's a man of learning, he's a blah blah blah. But really, this is really clownish behavior from this guy by my reckoning, because if you are saying that you are now a student, you can't then go 20 Jeep deep as a convoy to your lectures. This is just ludicrous behavior. Yes, I associate myself with learning, and learning is a lifelong endeavor. Anybody that is not learning in life, either through academia or through experience, might as well be dead, because life is continuously evolving and you have to evolve with life too. And going back to take this master's, because this master's is not going to be in law, is not going to make or mar him, is not what is going to define him. It's just something that he's always wanted, I'm assuming, and he has now decided to pursue it because he feels the time is right for him to do it. And well done for that, and I associate myself with that. But what I do not associate myself with is a student coming in a 20 Jeep deep convoy because you are a governor. If you are a governor, take one security vehicle behind you, you go in another vehicle just ahead, go into class, be quiet, sit quietly in the corner, and do not disrupt the rest of the students. Because of course now, when he rolls in with a 20 Jeep deep convoy to a lecture, then the lecturer is already intimidated. The students here, his fellow students, are already overwhelmed. How are they even able to share assignments and read together and collaborate and partake in all of the, because of course going to an institution of learning is not just the learning, it's the association and the interaction with your fellow students that is part of the whole experience that rounds you off to qualify you for whatever it is that you're seeking qualification for. So this guy now is now not only able to do that, but his 20 deep convoy of jeeps going there to intimidate fellow students is also preventing the interactions amongst his fellow students, because he now has put himself as the topic of conversation within that institution, so that anytime he rolls out, everybody is standing at the window, say, come and look, oh, the governor don't land, oh, let me go and do this, oh. And then the girls, the ladies in the class, their skirts is getting shorter and shorter, because of course they know that politics is the only business in Nigeria, and the governor of Rivers State is one of the richest people, is top 10 in Nigeria. You go the president and then anybody else, then I think he's really after him, because they get this oil incentive, whatever it is, they get 13% oil found on our land kind of thing, which they just use as a woof. So he gets all this woof money, and all the girls know that. So all the girls now that are going to university to study their masters are now seeing the governor and saying, look, I will study the governor instead, because he has a 20 deep jeep convoy instead of the masters that I've come here to study to enhance my life. So this is just vulgar behavior by my reckoning. But what do you think? Conversations in the comment section. The governor and the 20 jeep deep convoy to attend lectures at a university is what we are now having to contend with this time around. It's never really a dull moment in Nigeria. They have this unique thing within our nation to go to the extremes in terms of bizarre and unusual and quite really ludicrous behavior, because this is quite ludicrous by my reckoning. But what is your reckoning? Come tell me all about it in the comment section. But before you come have this chat with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're thinking of the 20 jeep deep governor attending lectures at Unical in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section. But here I say peace.